Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python journey. In our last session, we learned about Python's vocabulary, the characters, and the first three types of words or tokens like keywords, identifiers, and literals. Today, we are going to learn how Python does things and the grammar of its statements. What are tokens? Tokens are the smallest individual units in a Python program, just like words in a sentence. The different types of tokens are keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, punctuators. In the last session, we discussed the first three keywords, identifiers, literals. Just to quickly refresh our memory, we learned that Python code is made up of small, meaningful pieces called tokens. We have already met keywords, Python's special words. They are the reserved words that have a fixed meaning. Identifiers, that are the names that we choose for variable, function, class, etc. And literals, the actual data values like numbers or text. Now, let's look at the next type of token, operators. Operators are like action words for Python. They tell Python what to do with the data or variables we provide. For example, if you want to add two numbers, you use the addition operator plus. Arithmetic operators. It performs mathematical calculations. These are exactly what you expect. Symbols for doing math. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And here, notice that we have some special ones here. Modulo. This operator will return the remainder after division. So when we divide 10 modulus 3, it will give you the quotient as 3 and the remainder as 1. So when we are using this modulo operator, it will return that remainder 1. And next come floor division. It gives you the whole number part of the division. It will ignore the decimal. So when you divide 10 floor division operator and 3, it will result 3. It will avoid all the decimal value. It will return only the number part. And exponent is for powers. Like 2 to the power of 3. We will give 2 exponent symbol 3. Assignment operator. It is used to assign values to variables. Their job is to put a value into a variable. The most common one is the single equals sign. So, x equal to 10. It means it put the value 10 into the variable named x. A equal to 100. It means it put the value 100 into the variable a. We also have shorthand versions like plus equal, minus equal, like that. This means add to the current value and then assign the new result back to the same variable. Here x plus equal 5. It is same as x equal x plus 5. So it is adding to the current value and then assign the new result back to the same variable. It is a quick way to update a variable. In the same way, there are assignment operator like multiply and assign, divide and assign. Comparison operators. It is used to compare two values. After comparing it, it always returns two values, that is true or false. Comparison or relational operators are used when you want to compare two things. Is one equal to another? Is it greater than? Like this. The answer you get from these comparison will always be either true or false. For example, 5 equal 5. That means 5 equal to 5. So our answer will be either true or false. So here in this case it is true. But when we are comparing 5 equals 6, the answer is false. So notice that the double equal sign, it is for checking equality. Single equal symbol is for assigning the value to the variable. This is the difference between double equal sign and single equal. So double equal sign is for checking equality. Single equal sign for assignment. Next come not equal to. 5 not equal to 6. It result true. So after operating any relational operators, we will get two values, either true or false. Again, other comparison operators: greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Logical operators. It is used to combine or modify true or false condition. In this, some examples: and operator, or operator, and not operator. So as I said, logical operators help us combine different conditions and means both things must be true, or means at least one of the things must be true. For example, 5 is greater than 3 and 2 is less than 1. So first part, 5 is greater than 3. The answer is true. Second part is 2 less than 1. It means 2 is greater than 1. So here the answer is false. So the comparison operator result true and false. So what will this AND operator do? It combines the two different conditions, 5 greater than 3 and 2 less than 1, and it will give you another result. So here it is true and false. So true and false results in false. For this AND operator, both the condition should be true. It will result true value after this logical operation. If there is any one false result, it will give you false. But for OR operator, at least one condition must be true. Even if the other one is false, it will give you the true value. Next is NOT. It reverses the condition. When you get true value after comparison, then it will return false. And when it is false, it results in true. Next come operator precedence. The order in which Python evaluates operators in an expression, like board mass in math, that is brackets, parenthesis, right? That is comes first. Then multiplication, division, then addition or subtraction. This is the order. This is called as board mass. So the order in which the Python evaluates operators in an expression is operator precedence. Parenthesis always evaluate first. Next, multiplication or division before addition and subtraction. Here is the example. 5 plus 2 multiplied by 3. It results in 11. That means it doesn't do that 5 plus 2 first. Instead, it calculates 2 multiplied by 3, 6. That answer is added to 5. So we will get 11. So this is the order in which Python evaluates operators in this expression. If you want to calculate 5 plus 2 at first, then we need to multiply by 3. Then we need to give parenthesis in that expression as like shown here. Next is punctuators. These are the symbols used to organize sentence structure and grammar in Python code, like commas, periods, and question marks in English. A simple punctuation mark icon or a structural element that help Python understand the structure of your code. They don't perform operations like operators, but they help separate things, group things, or define block of code, just like punctuation mark help organize sentences in English. Here, parenthesis. In the print statement, to separate the message or the information that we need to print from the keyword print, we are using parentheses. Square brackets. These are used for accessing characters in a string or list. So here example, my list equals square bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3. So it is denoting 1, 2, 3 are the items in a list. Next come comma. It separates items in a list or arguments in a function. Here print hello comma world. So it is separating the two items. Colon. When we are using the looping statement if, for, while, these statements will end with colon. It means it indicates the start of code block. Here example, if age greater than 18 colon. It means after that colon whatever we are giving, that is the start of a code block. Next is dot. It is for accessing attributes or methods of an object. My string dot upper. That upper is a method used in strings. So it accesses the method of an object. So we have completed this session for today, and we will continue in the next session and with more examples, and see you in the next session. Once you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.